Good day, and welcome to your ultimate guide on setting up IPTV on the Amazon Firestick. Before we dive into this exciting update, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out 2tv.store, the best IPTV provider around. Now, let's get your Amazon Firestick set up for all your favorite streaming content. Begin by connecting your Firestick to your TV and ensure it's connected to the internet. On your home screen, go to the search bar, type Downloader, and install the app. Launch it, navigate to the browser section, and enter the IPTV service URL to download your preferred service. After downloading, install the file, and once completed, return to the Firestick home screen. Open the newly installed IPTV app, log in with your credentials, and voila, endless streaming at your fingertips. Make sure you're subscribed for more guides like this, and visit 2tv.store for the best in IPTV services. Enjoy your streaming experience.